Today, we're looking at BUR9 silicone-based metal parapet cap repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Typical coping cap problems can be cracking at the seams. Here are two examples. Let's look at a better way using incredible tape and coating with 581. To start, always clean the surface. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. Measure and cut a piece of APOC Incredible Fleece Top Repair Tape. Remove the release liner and apply APOC Incredible Fleece Top Tape over the seam. Work in the Incredible tape with the seam roller. Apply APOC 581 Armor Flash Patch and Sealant over the Incredible tape. For a professional look, remove the masking tape. Now your APOC BUR9 silicone-based metal parapet cap repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.